Come on. Sunshine. Well, this song dedicated to all the nice and beauty ladies. We call you Sunshine Lady. It's my new EP coming out, and this is the title of the song. Sunshine Lady. Blessed love. She walking with your love and me say day by day. Sexy, she keep burning. Especially she keep the fire blazing hard. Nighttime come she not roaming. She stays at home and takes some rest in my sunshine day. Day one. She brightening up my la 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 la. My sunshine day. Day one. Never wanna see you cry. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's a special connected unto the Most High Jah Rastafari. Yeah. I said, enough of your soul, she no store dirty bungle. No, no. She's so hot and so spicy. And to the Almighty, she always gives glory. Yeah. I said she physically fit, she can jump and skip. She act like the moon, my sunshine day one. She brighten up my la 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 la. My sunshine day one. Never wanna see you cry, yeah 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 yeah. She always make me know when I'm going out. She always make me know that I'm the champion. If I'm going out and coming in, she always make me know that Jah is gonna bless her. I could never forget to give her love. Never forget to give her love. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. My sunshine day one. She brightening up my la 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 la. My sunshine day one. Never wanna see you cry. Yeah, 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 yeah. Day one. She brightening up my la 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 la. My sunshine day one. Never wanna see you cry. Yeah, 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 yeah. Throw it away. Enough respect to the item, yeah? Love and respect to the item, man. That's what we do it. Love and respect to the people who stand up and stay for Shadracq. See it? That's all I'm happening here.